options with different characteristics, appearance, and of course, cost. The flooring materials you see on the screen are economical, practical, and are very easy to install. First, we would like to draw your attention to the crumb rubber tiles. Only 2 tools are required for installation, a knife and a T-square. Each tile has grooves cut out at the edges. They interlock with each other, achieving a smooth coating. Another advantage of the material is its softness. When laying the tiles near the wall, all you have to do is cut off the part of the tile you don't need with a knife. This coating is equally suitable for indoor and outdoor use, for example for a playground or a whole room. Alternatively, several elements joined together can be used as a carpet. The second option is tiles made of impact-resistant polypropylene. The manufacturer recommends using them for garage flooring. The final result is aesthetically pleasing. The surface is resistant to oil, grease, antifreeze, and any other household chemicals. Each element has slots on the edges for quick and easy installation. However, to cut a piece of this tile, you'll have to use a tile cutter.